Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Living with a Fire by Jesus Culture. I'm playing at a different campus this week, a different location than I typically do, and what I like about playing at different churches, really in general, is that they seem to pull from like a different pool of songs, and I get to try out and figure out new songs and worship to new songs maybe that the church that I play at doesn't pull from. It's not like in their rotation, you know? So this is pretty cool. I hadn't actually heard this song, so listened to it, liked it, decided obviously to learn the parts for Sunday, and once I had them nailed down, I figured I'd share a video with you guys. And this is a pretty cool song by Jesus Culture. I really enjoy the bridge. The bridge says, "No power can stand against this brighter glory. His promise is sure, Jesus decides my story." And you know, I think sometimes as Christians, some of us forget to adopt and really hold fast to that eternal perspective. Sometimes we want heaven to come here right now, and that's really a false theology to say that heaven's going to come to earth at this moment right now and things are going to be perfect right now. Things will not be restored until Jesus comes back. And when we adopt that eternal perspective, we can start to worship through our trials now, because we know that one day Jesus is coming back and he will restore all things. He will wipe away every tear from every eye. Sickness will be gone, disease will be gone, and we will simply worship him forever. And I kind of like that. You know, it's a great thing to remind ourselves of that, especially through songs. So if you're going through a trial right now, I do encourage you, just think eternally, brother. Think eternally, sister. It's a very small period of time right now compared to eternity with Christ, when you'll see him face to face. It's going to be an awesome, awesome day. Not to transition here too abruptly from like a heavy topic, but don't forget that August is Walrus Audio Emissary Boost giveaway month. Still have about 7 days left to enter that giveaway. If you want details, I will put them in the description below. So here is Living with the Fire by Jesus Culture. Hope you guys enjoy it.